টেকনিশিয়ানরা প্যানেল রিপেয়ার করানোর জন্য স্ক্রিনে দেওয়া নম্বরে যোগাযোগ করুন। This is a 43-inch Panasonic LED TV. The problem is occurring from the display panel. The problem is called double image or flickering. Let's see what is the problem. You can see guys, the picture is jumping. Now we will open the TV and try to fix it. We have to block left side FFC cable gate signals. I already blocked gate signal from the left side. I turn on the TV and let's see what happened. And you can see guys, the problem is gone. The picture is now stable enough and good. The clarity is also good. There was no line in the picture. LCD LED টিভির যে কোনো প্রবলেম সমাধান করার জন্য উপরে দেওয়া নম্বরে যোগাযোগ করুন।